Hello, assalamu alaikum, hola, and good afternoon. Today I make a little bit small video for only for parents. First, I discuss about your child. It's very important. I just share with you. Some parents are doing like that, but some parents are not knowing that how to treat with the children. If you have more than one children at your home, and how to treat and how to involve with your child in work, at home work, at everything for learning. And because all day they are playing, they are watching videos, and you know that you see already all the videos are is not make sense, just animated and imagination world. And when they are come into the real life, it's very difficult for them. That's why I can make this one video for discuss with the parents, mothers especially, and how to treat with your child more than one. Because if you have one child, it's very easy to treat it, because you can involve for everything about his or her age, and it's easy. But if you have a more than one, and is the difference about boy and girl is difficult. And that's why I'm telling you. And one thing, I have three children. One, my daughter is her name is Javeria, and she is 11 plus, her age is. And my another one is son, and his age is 8 years. He is 8 years old. And next one is younger one, is her name is Laiba, and she is 4 plus. And it's very difficult sometimes for me how I treat for all three in the same time. And because I have also lots of work, because I'm a working woman, I'm doing job, and how to manage the house and everything. And I need to take a rest with mentally and physically too. And that's why it's very important. Okay, if you want to save your life, save your things, you have to follow this one things. One, my still I have started this one channel for the especially for kids, because how to parents are treated with the children, and how to train the children to the homeworks, like a kitchen work, like any other things. If they are involved and they are behave like very easily trained to how to treat, how to behave, how to manage everything like this. And my young elder daughter, she is 11 plus, and today I make a fruit chart. And Laiba is very small to cut the pieces of the fruits, but today you see and watch, and then you realize how to treat both kids are work together, and patiently, no hyperness, no fighting, no anything else. First you talk about your child and tell them. First I talk about the Javeria, and then I talk about the Laiba, and they are both together work together. And then I will be continue for this one video. Thank you. And after finishing the video, I can talk again. Thank you. Yes, she is my elder daughter, and her name is Javeria.
Hi.
Javeria. And I talk to her, and I explain her how to do and what to do she is doing only, and then after that what she do. Javeria, today we are making a fruit chart, okay, with Laiba. And you are a big girl, that's why you are only wash the fruits, and then you cut it in the small pieces of fruits, okay? Then you clean up the counter, and you come back to your room. And after that, Laiba is mix everything, and she completed with me, okay? Thank you. And she is my younger daughter. Her name is Laiba, you know that for her.
Hello.
And Laiba,
Yes.
listen to me first. Today you are making a fruit chart.
Yes.
Okay. And Javeria is helping you too.
Okay.
Okay. She is your sister, no fighting.
Okay.
And talk with nicely.
Okay.
And you just watch for her. Okay.
Okay.
She washed the fruits, and she cut the fruits, and she put in the bowl.
Yes.
And then after that you can put in the big bowl and mix it everything,
Yes.
and then you finish the chart.
Okay.
Okay? Thank you. Good job. Yes, today we start making a fruit chart for all kids, and let's see how to make it. Come on, Laiba, Javeria, come on, come together. Say hi,
Hi,
friends. Hi,
friends. Hello, friends.
What do you make today? You tell, you share.
Fruit chat.
Okay, come on, Javeria, let's go. Come.
Did you remember, friends? We wash your hands.
I help you. I give it to you. Rub your hands, and you wash your hands at least 20 seconds. Okay,
Sophie.
good job. Today we need, Laiba, what do we make today?
Fruit chat.
Okay, we make a fruit chart today, and we need some fruits and one empty bowl. Okay, Laiba, can you tell me what is this?
Grapes.
Okay, what is
Banana.
this? Good job.
Papaya.
Good.
Orange.
Good.
Apple.
Good.
Guava.
Good.
Kiwi.
Good job, Laiba. I love it. You know all the fruits. Name, and can you tell me one thing? Color, banana color is?
Yellow.
Good. Grapes color is?
Purple.
Good. Papaya color is?
Yellow.
Orange color is?
Orange.
Apple color is?
Red.
Guava color is?
Green.
And the kiwi color is?
Brown.
Good job. I love it. Okay, let's we start to make a fruit chart. Come Javeria, it's your turn. You have to wash all the fruits and give it to me, and then you cut. Okay, go bring the fruits, put in the net and wash. Okay, let's we start again. Javeria already washed this one fruits, and then we are ready for the chopping board and the knife. And let's start, Javeria. First you bring grapes and cut and put in the bowl. Okay, and then we will be continue. She start cutting and she cut everything, and I tell you how to cut. Javeria, can you pick the grapes and show how to cut? Grapes in this, this one grapes, and this is a big size, that's why we can cut in the center. Okay, Javeria, hold properly, and then cut. Okay, and put in the, and all the grapes like you can pick up and cut in the center. If you have big, or if you want a big to eat, it's okay. You can put whole grapes in the bowl. Okay. This one I have take a half apple, and then I can peel off the cover, and I tell you how to cut this one apple for the fruit chart. Okay, this one I can peel off first, and then I make a 2 pieces for the apple, half apple, and then 1 cut and 2 cut. I have to do 3 cuts in the apple, then I do like this, and your child will be doing like this. Same thing I apply on the kiwi. I can peel off the kiwi, and then I cut 3 portions, and then again I can same thing follow for this one things, and all the pieces I like that. I can use half papaya, or maybe it's more than less. I can use only this size of papaya is enough for us, because I'm using a half apple, half kiwi, half guava, and 1 bunch of grapes, and 1 orange, and 2 bananas, and this one size for papaya. And I can knead and clean and then cut the 3 pieces, and then like same cutting. Okay, and we use orange. We can peel off like this. You can take off the cover. Look, I can peel off everything, and then I cut in the center and take off this one for the vein, because it's not yummy feel to eat. And then I cut for like 3 pieces again, like 1, 2, and you can take off this one 2, and 3, and then put on the bowl. 1, 2, 3, like a same size. Is yummy to eat, and small kids is easily swallow for everything. That's why I'm making like that. And this is very healthy for the kids and adult too. It's yummy. If you can put in the refrigerator, then you eat and try. I can put then first time you can show your kids this one video, and then you help them, and after that 1, 2, 3 times, after 3 times they will be doing it by self. You have to take time for a month, and then your children will be doing very good. Yes, is this ready to cut everything? I help her Javeria. She done the grapes, guava, kiwi, apple, papaya, oranges, banana, and this is Javeria. Can you clean up this one things? First you can put in the trash. You can tell your daughter they clean up too. If they are helping you, first you committed with her. Okay, you have to finish all things with like me. Javeria, can you clean up? And you can wash this one chopping board, and I can help her for putting back. And she washed it, And this one papaya, I can put it back for the refrigerator. I need 1 lemon, not whole lemon, just I can cut, and 5 to 6 drops put in the fruit jar, because color is very important to us. Because that's why if I am the banana and apple, the color change if I can. And it's time to start. Look, all the time Laiba is standing here, and she is not interrupting to Javeria, and she does everything by herself. Laiba, thank you so much for your behavior first, and you can put all the stuff in a one bowl, one by one. Can I help you? First, you can. This one is near for you, and can you turn? This is, what is this, Laiba?
Orange.
Oranges. You can put in the bowl. Oh, good job, Laiba. Okay. Good job. And then what is this next? You can put in the bowl. Papaya. Good job. Go. And she is done. And I can put it in the back. And then you can mix. What is this? Apples. The color is changed because I can peel off the apple. You can do it fast. Yes, you can do it a little bit fast. Thank you. And softly, you can put the spoon on plate softly, nicely, gently. Okay, I help you. And put. Okay. Can you hold the plate? Yes. Okay. Wow, it's almost done. Done. Good job. And can you put this one banana in the mixing bowl? Can you try? Thank you. Good job. And next step. Okay. This one is all the foods I can put in the one bowl. I need salt and chaat masala and sugar.
Mama.
I need a salt, and I can put salt like this. Laiba, can you put in the bowl? Okay, good job. And I need sugar for this one, fruit chart, and I need a 1, 2, 3, and 4. I need a 4 teaspoon sugar in this one fruit chart. And this is a chaat masala, and I can show you the box, and you can put a little bit on the top. And it's up to you. It's just a little bit spicy, and if you want it, you can little bit put on the top, and then you can mix it. Laiba, can you try to mix with me? I show you. Okay, good. And hold and mix. Yes, I can put this one chaat masala. Is this available for everywhere? You can go for the Giant, Grand Mart, La Mart, and Star Food. Is easily available. This is chaat masala. I can put this one powder, put in this one chaat, and chaat is ready. We can put the foil on the top, and I can put in the refrigerator, and we can having in our iftar. And Laiba, we need a little bit lemon drops. I can put in this one. Laiba, I can do it because it's hard. Okay, and look, this one I can put 1 tablespoon almost, or yeah, 1 tablespoon I can lemon juice put in this one fruit, and then it's done. And you can put this one for the refrigerator after 30 minutes, then you can eat. Having this one is very yummy, sweet, and tempting. You can look very nearly. All the pieces are in equal size, and look, no one is big and no one is small. And look, everything is mixed in the same size. That's why I'm saying you can cut. And this is the quantity is everything is equal. Like I can do it half guava, half apple, half kiwi, and 1 piece of almost 1 cup of papaya, and 2 bananas, and like 1 orange. Everything is equal, and I can mix it, and this arche chart is ready. And thank you, Laiba, you are mixing this one fruit chart. And thank you, Javeria, for you are cutting this one. Thanks. And yeah, and this is the last one. Thanks, your work is a start for washing dishes and clean up and come outside to the kitchen. Thank you so much.